Welcome to Construction Review's weekly roundup of the news in the building and construction industry in Africa. We start in Kenya, where the Kenya Ports Authority has announced plans to construct a multi-storied headquarters in Mombasa, expected to be the largest office complex in Kenya. According to the authority, the building will cover an area of 75,000 square meters, out of which 18,000 square meters will be for parking space for 1,000 vehicles. 12,000 square meters reserved for conference facilities and 15,000 square meters for commercial space. The new development will also generate some 21,000 square meters of lettable office space while reserving 9,000 square meters for KPA's occupation. On to Nigeria, where works of a new modern city in the northwest quadrant of the Lekki Free Zone in Lagos, dubbed Alaro City in Nigeria, is progressing well. Alaro City sits on a 2,000-acre piece of land and will include a mixed-income city-scale development with industrial and logistics locations complemented by offices, homes, schools, healthcare facilities, hotels, entertainment, and 370 acres of parks and open spaces. The project was carefully designed by Rendezvous, Africa's largest new city developers, and Lagos state government, and is being constructed at a cost of $249 million. Now, the Liberia Aviation Authority, or LAA, has announced plans to open the newly completed passenger terminal, office complex, and runway at the Roberts International Airport in Margibi County. The new terminal will be the first up-to-date modern terminal ever at the airport since the construction of that airport in the 1940s during the Second World War. It features 2 jet bridges, 2 escalators, 2 elevators, 10 check-in counters, 8 duty-free stores, a restaurant, and 2 luggage carousels, among several other features. In South Africa, through the Department of Water and Sanitation, there has been allocated $547,000 to JS Moroka local municipality to address water shortages in Mpulanga as part of the interventions to ensure that communities have access to water. Groundwater was identified as one of the key interventions, and drought relief funded boreholes were prioritized. The funds will be used to finance groundwater development, construction of 15 new boreholes, while refurbishing 11 boreholes which are currently 80% complete. The projects are expected to be completed by the end of this month. Finally, the government of Zimbabwe is set to select 5 contractors in a shortlisted tender process for the refurbishment of the Harare Beitbridge Highway beginning next month. Construction of the road will be undertaken over a 3-year period and implemented under a build, operate and transfer arrangement running for 25 years. The scope of the works being covered includes full dualization of the road, widening and rehabilitation of the existing road, and construction of 37 new 2-lane bridges and 8 toll gates. And that is all we have this week. Be sure to subscribe below to ensure you don't miss our weekly roundup, and also visit our web portal constructionreviewonline.com for more information and a chance to subscribe to the digital format of our print publication.